Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to push images to a Docker Hub registry. So first of all, what is Docker Hub? So Docker Hub is a cloud-based repository in which Docker users and partners can create, test and store and distribute the container images. So it is basically an online repository which we can use for storing our custom made images or the container images which we are using in our environment. And through the Docker Hub, a user can access public open source image repositories as well as the space to create their own private repositories. Also the automatic build functions along with webhooks and workgroups. So the Hub give you a very extensive services like choosing a public repository or saving your containers in the private repository, and also creating workspaces or work groups in which different users can work as a team and access those repos along with the container images. So first of all, we will go to the Docker Hub. So here we have an account at Docker Hub and we are exploring the repository. So right now we do not have any repository in our Docker Hub account, and this is the username of our Docker Hub account. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the practical. So first of all, we will SSH into our EC2 instance. Now once we have successfully gained access to our EC2 instance, we will go as a super user and update the packages. The Docker environment has already been installed on this EC2 Ubuntu instance image. So first of all, we will check the images present inside the local repository. So if we use the command docker images, then we can see the repositories present in our local and the name of the images. Now basically, once we write the command docker images, it contains the namespace, or we can say name of the repository where the images are available. So and our images are currently tagged as well. So in order to push the images to the Docker Hub, we need to give an identity to our image, and we can do that by retagging the images. And to execute the below command, we can retag the images by using this command. So we will use docker tag and tag the Ubuntu image present here. So what here we are doing is that we are tagging the Ubuntu image which is present and which has the latest tag, and we are changing it to the path of the repository, which is the online repository, along with the name of the image and its tag. Now once the command is executed, we need to log in into our Docker Hub. So for that we use the command docker login. Now as you can see here, it is written to log in with your Docker ID to push or pull images from Docker Hub. So first of all, we will write the username and then we will type the password. Now though you cannot see the password because it is in hidden format. So I'll simply press enter. So once you have a Docker Hub account and you have a username and password, you can simply log into the account using the containers. Now, once you have logged into the account, we will use the command docker push to push the tagged image in the previous step. So just to show you that at present we do not have any repository in our Docker Hub account. So we will use this command. So after using the docker push command, it will push the Ubuntu image to our Docker Hub registry, and you can see that it has successfully pushed the image, and this is the ID which was used for pushing the image. Now if we go into our Docker Hub registry and refresh it, we can see that the repository Ubuntu has been pushed a few seconds ago. So as you can see here, the repository contains one tag and the latest Ubuntu image. So here, by using these simple commands, we can simply push any image to our Docker Hub registry. And, and for that, we simply need to have an image and the Docker environment, and then we need to create a Docker Hub account, and after creating the account we can simply log in by using our credentials and push the image to the Docker Hub account without any hassles. So in today's video we learned how to push the images to the Docker Hub repository, and that was all for today's video. Thank you.